Hello, once again, welcome to shortcutguide. And if you're into this channel, we learn how to deal with new software and how to deal with that. Once again, I brought you a video about how to import a Bible into Holyrics. We are going to be importing different kinds of Bibles into Holyrics. I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to download the Bible online, and afterwards we are going to be importing it into Holyrics step by step. So one of the most important things you need to know about the Bible in Holyrics, you can come here to go to Bible, and here is where the different versions of the Bible appear from. And here are the books of the Bible, and here are the chapters, and these are the verses of the Bible. So how do you import a Bible into the Holyrics? You just come here to version and say import as if any XML Bible, and afterwards you go import. But we are not going to import something we have not yet downloaded. So what we need to do is come to online, or you can go in you can come to the description of this video, and you'll find a link which will lead you to a website which I'm going to download this Bible from. But if you suffer a lot, when you come to the description, you can find a link which looks like this. This link leads you to a station where you're going to find 6 XML Bibles. And this includes the NLT, the Message version, the Amplified version, and finally the NIV version, which is well arranged, and it is normally $5, but you'll be purchasing it at only $2 by using a caption which is shortcutguide. For example, when I click on this link here, going to come to this is the place where you're going to buy the Bible from. You can buy them at $5, but instead of buying them at $5, you can use my free caption which they have given me. You say buy now, and after saying buy now, they bring you something like this. You can buy with PayPal, or you can use your credit card. But you're going to say that I'm going to add a caption, whereby the caption will be added successfully. The caption which you should be added is shortcut guide. You only need to pay $2 to download that Bible. You can either pay with PayPal or a debit card. But if you don't have any money, don't worry about it. We are going to be importing a Bible from a free space. For example, you can just come here and search for any Bible which you want, and you search through. I'm going to be downloading a Bible from this place here. And the Bible I'm going to be downloading is called, it's an English Bible first of all. You're going to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you are going to be finding the different versions of the Bible here. But me, the Bible I'm going to import, or I'm going to download right now, it is known as the Good News Bible. This is the Bible I'm going to import. You just click here on download, and after downloading that particular file, you can see that it is downloaded, and you need to just come to your browser and you go to downloads, and after going to downloads, you are going to find this Bible here which you have just downloaded. And when you click on it, you need to extract the file. That's the first thing which you need to do. You say that extract the selected file, and where do you want to put it? You should basically put it on the desktop, and after putting it on the desktop, they will say that extraction completed successfully, and you say close. Then after saying close, you come back to your Holyrics Bible, and in your Holyrics Bible, you come here to version, you say import as a funny XML Bible, and afterwards you go to desktop. On your desktop, you are going to find this particular folder here which contains the Bible. When you double click on it, you'll find this Bible, the Good News Bible which you have just downloaded, and afterwards, boom, your Bible has been imported. And here you need to put there the ID of the Bible. This ID means whatever word which will appear here. For example, this is a KJV. The word which you need to put here is the KJV Bible. If it is the unamplified version, you put something like that. Because this is a Good News Bible, I'm going to put there something like NB Bible, and I said the language is English. The name, I will call it Good News Bible, and afterwards I say okay. So how do you use that Bible? You just come here to this button over here, you click on it, and after clicking on it, you come here to search, and you search for the Good News Bible. It will appear, and you say select, and after selecting, you can see that my Good News Bible has appeared here. You can see you have imported the Bible into Holyrics. This basically works when the Bible is not faulty or the Bible is not having any mistakes. But if at all your Bible is having mistakes, you have many ways to navigate through it and learn how to do it. Or, for example, you can use Notepad to help you to edit out the mistakes out of your Bible. But if you want to go step by step on how to do it, basically in this video I'm not going to talk about that. I'll be directing you to my video which is about how to import a Bible into Holyrics, step by step guide. This, I don't know why it is taking a lot of time to do so, but this video over here takes you step by step from downloading the Bible from the website, then editing it with Notepad++, and importing it into Holyrics once again, reviewing the remarks. It takes you step by step. You are also encouraged to skip through any of these steps so that you can go to the step which you want. You can see that the Bible which I was importing had many mistakes, terrible mistakes. For example, the verses were not appearing well. I had to correct the errors using Notepad++. You can go and watch it. But don't also forget to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a like. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. And in case you're having any other question about Holyrics, you just send it in the comment section below. I'll be ready to answer it. Thank you so much for watching.